How to make keto eggs in clouds. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Also, show some love, by liking and sharing this video, so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. The ingredients: 4 sliced bacon, diced, 4 large eggs, 1/4 cup pecorino romano cheese, grated, 1/4 cup fresh chives, chopped, black pepper to taste. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all the ingredients. Preheat oven to 450 F. In a frying pan over medium heat, cook the diced bacon slices. 2. In different bowls, separate the eggs by placing all the egg whites in one bowl and the egg yolks into individual bowls. Whisk the egg whites until stiff peaks form. 3. Then, add in the cooked bacon, cheese, and chives. Stir gently to combine. 4. On a parchment paper-lined baking sheet, evenly divide the mixture into appropriate servings and space them out. With a spoon, create deep wells into each. Bake in the oven for about 3 to 4 minutes. 5. Place 1 egg yolk into each of the mounded wells. Season with black pepper. Bake in the oven for 2 to 3 minutes or until the egg yolks are done to your liking. 6. Serve and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 2 servings of keto eggs in clouds. Each serving comes out to be 497 calories, 39.9 grams fat, 1.3 grams net carbs, and 31.8 grams protein. If you would like to get a free keto cookbook for healthy weight loss, just click on this link in the description below this video. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, so that it can be shown to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.